That's it. Hi there. How
Hi,
are you?
good, good. You? Can I get one beef, one chicken, and one cheese empanada?
And your complimentary salsa, what would you like?
What's the most popular? Oh, mild.
Mild, you're in my team. Mild means absolutely no hunger.
Okay, yeah, just mild. Thank you.
And your name?
Michael.
You gotta start doing the chicharron as well. Yes. And your order will be coming.
Okay, thank you. You want to start eating? Wow. Wear your glove, Willow.
You want one?
Yeah, I'll wear. Yeah. Want me to hold this up for you?
Garlic sauce? Yeah, you don't want to try the garlic sauce?
Damn, it's messy, huh?
So the salsa I can understand, but the garlic sauce is also good. You want to try
They have the aloo paisa.
I think Costco's still the best, man. I think Costco's the fucking one.
It's juicier.
I know, way juicy, right? It's quite messy, eh?
That's why they get gloves.
Yeah. I just like different taste. Yeah, if you want your two events, one to the Bio Gala, one here.
You can't get it.
Oh.
The magic is-
What do you think of the cheese? Okay.
Yogi? Yogi?
Yogi.
Tyler?
You see this on the internet, right? Instagram. Voy a comer
We're delayed with the cheese. That's what's delaying us.
Okay. I'm gonna keep eating for now.
One chicken? One
Thank you. Okay. Get a seat down there. Pardon?
I feel like last time
There's more free shit. Huh? Are you sure they have? Just look at it. The best building customization food truck. No, just an advertisement.
Oh, we can go.
Oh yeah. My hand's full of cheese.
It's okay. You're never gonna get freed from that. Should I use my glove too?
It's so gross.
Yeah. It's just hard to eat. Good thing they got the gloves. Woo. Just put it there and I'll just pick it back up.
I was showing the camera.
Oh, were you? Oh, I thought you were feeding me.
Oh no, I showed the camera.
Show this.
Oh, you just have to put it here.
Yes.
Why are you holding it? Oh, you didn't even. You missed the meat.
Oh. It's so small.
They're like the patties.
Oh shit, they're hot.
Oh, wait.
They are fresh, man.
You try to put the sausage back.
Messy as hell, man. Let's eat the sausage at this rate.
Here, you want this?
No. Just eat the meat, my love. That's where the money is at.
Which one's that? Which one's that?
Chicken.
Chicken? Yummy?
It's okay. The crust is a little too hard.
What's that? Oh, just sauce?
Yeah.